Have you ever thought that starting something new online was for other people? That it was too technical, too complicated, or just too late? I am here to tell you that is simply not true. Today, with the wonderful world of technology, your experience is your greatest asset. And new tools called artificial intelligence or AI are here to make everything easier. Think of AI as a helpful assistant. It is here to do the heavy lifting. It can handle the technical steps that used to feel like big roadblocks. This means you can focus on what you do best, sharing your wisdom, your passion, and your unique gifts with the world. You do not need to be a tech genius to get started. I promise you, these new tools are designed for everyone. They speak in plain language. We all have moments when the words just will not come. You sit down to write an email or a description of your wonderful product and your mind goes blank. This is where AI writing assistants come in to lend a hand. Think of them as your personal writing partner. They are designed to help you generate words for almost anything you can imagine. Blog posts, product descriptions, friendly emails, even social media posts. They take the pressure off by giving you a starting point, so you are never facing a blank page alone. Some of the most popular and easy-to-use writing tools are ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. Many have free versions you can use immediately. You simply type a request like you would ask a person for help. Tell the tool what you need, what tone you want, and who you are writing for. It then provides a draft you can use as is. Or, even better, edit so it sounds just like you. This is not about letting a machine speak for you. It is about getting a helpful nudge in the right direction. Imagine you want to sell handmade knitted scarves. Type, "Please write a short, friendly product description for a handmade wool scarf." Mention that it is very soft, ocean blue, forest green, and sunset pink. In seconds, the AI gives you a beautiful description. Then ask, "Now, write a warm email to tell my friends and family about my new scarf business." You get a first draft in minutes, freeing you to do the part you love. Have you ever seen a beautiful post or a professional-looking flyer and thought, "I could never make something like that"? It is time to change that thought. AI design tools are your personal graphic designer. They make it simple to create stunning visuals. Design logos, social media graphics, business cards, and even simple web pages, all with no prior experience. Two wonderful, beginner-friendly tools are Canva, especially with Magic Design, and Adobe Express. Open Canva and search for a Facebook post template. Pick one that catches your eye. Type your words, then use AI features to find images and matching colors. The tool handles the hard design work, so it looks polished. In under 20 minutes, you can create something you are proud to share. We all know video is a powerful way to connect with people. It lets them see your face, hear your voice, and feel your passion. But creating a video can feel overwhelming. That used to be true, but not anymore. AI video tools act like your director and editor. They turn text into videos, add voiceovers and music, and match clips to your words. Pictory, Synthesia, and InVideo make the process incredibly simple. Start with a script. The AI analyzes it and finds relevant stock images or clips. Choose a friendly voice and background music. You do not even have to be on camera. In minutes, it assembles a finished video. Copy a few paragraphs to make a 60-second script. Paste into Pictory. It breaks the script into scenes and selects clips. Pick a voice and music, then export and share. Create product promos, helpful tips, or animated lessons. Short, impactful videos in under an hour are now accessible to everyone. As you start to build your new venture, some tasks are very repetitive. Sending welcome emails, reminding people of appointments, following up with potential customers. Automation tools act as your tireless personal assistant. They run 24/7 so nothing falls through the cracks. Tools like Calendly, Zapier, and MailerLite are fantastic for this. Calendly lets people book with you. You set your availability, it handles the rest. MailerLite sends beautiful emails and newsletters. Zapier helps your apps talk to each other. Example: when someone books in Calendly, add them to your MailerLite list automatically. Set up free accounts, then in Zapier. Trigger is new invitee in Calendly. Action is add subscriber in MailerLite. Now every booked call sends a welcome email. Once set, it just works, giving you back your time. One big question is, what should I talk about? You want to create content people are looking for, answers that solve problems. AI research tools guide you to what your customers search for online. They uncover popular topics, common questions, and exact keywords people type into Google. Use Answer the Public, Keywords Everywhere, and ChatGPT. Type a topic like organic gardening to see real questions people ask. You will see things like how to start organic gardening and what are the best organic fertilizers. Keywords Everywhere shows how many people search each term. Ask ChatGPT, what are 10 common questions about learning guitar after 50? For handmade scarves, you might see how to wash handmade scarves or what to wear with a handmade scarf. Use each question as a blog title, a short video topic, or a social post. Ask an AI writer to draft a helpful article. Answering real questions attracts the right audience and builds your reputation. We have seen how AI can help you write, design, create videos, and more. It can feel like a lot, but you do not have to do it all. The most important thing is to take one small step. Confidence is a muscle. Start light. Do one small thing and celebrate the win. Pick one tool that feels interesting or least intimidating. If it is writing, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a single sentence describing your passion. If it is design, open Canva, pick a template, and change the text to your name. That is your win for today. Your voice and experience make you unique. Templates and tutorials are there to help. These tools level the field so you can bring ideas to life. Your next chapter is waiting. Go ahead. Start now.